Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator.
Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of It Happened to Be Spring When It Came, chapter 18. So here it is. Let's read the story. How long have I been asleep? Has my second sister been using me as a pillow the whole time? Now she's been confused. It's only been a little for a while now that my sister-in-law is awakened. Would you like something to eat? Well, what a perfect an alibi. Well, giving her a fine nut yellow cake, hibiscus grapes, and my favorite, honey cake. Everything seems to be delicious, right? Looking at her face, she looks really happy. How can I eat so much? She was giggling and folding her hands. Well, this girl, she know how to treat herself well. We can see the taste of everything, and if I encountered something you like to eat, I'll ask people to buy more next time. Now, it makes sense. She got really so supportive over her. Well, all she can do is to eat all day. We can see she's really getting tired. Also, difficulty to swallow. Sister-in-law, it is delicious. Now, she was trying to ask her a question, but the question really find it won't clue, right? Well, let's solve things. Things will be better for the two of them. With my sister. Well, now it makes sense. She was going to feed her again. This time, she gladly accepted it. Well, her face, it's blushing. She was going to feed her, but when she got touched, of course, she really feels something. Well, definitely, this really getting interesting, right? Sister-in-law, it's delicious. Just now, my lips touched by my fingers. Now, it makes sense. She seems to be a little shaky, but of course, she continued to eat that biscuit. Well, definitely, we can see that she liked those biscuits, but the two sisters are talking something. Does my second sister have this pastry abroad? No, they prefer the dry breads and baguettes. They also like to kiss in broad daylight in the public. Now, it makes sense. After hearing that kiss on the lips, well, she's blushing, so I tease her. So, she know how to coax people. Yes, just like these two of us living upstairs. Yes, just like the two of us. Well, we can see that she's being a little bit tricky. That's not allowed. She's so cute when she is shy. Well, what do you think? What's gonna happen? This is really getting interesting. Sister-in-law, have you ever kissed someone? Now, she got really confused. She was asking her so questions, well, about her. Suddenly, she got was, and she was going to fix up. Well, of course not. All she can deny about herself. But what do you think? What's gonna happen? Well, unstable. She's going to fall down. Sister, oops, the joke went too far. She got really confused also. Well, maybe she continued to trick her, right? Well, let's see then. Now, she was going to fall in front of her. Sister-in-law, you didn't. Well, sister-in-law, it seems that, look at her. She got really confused on what's happening. We can see her eyes and emotions are, they're really not good during this time. If we just leave like this, well, this girl, she's been tricky also, right? She's been here to celebrate her birthday. Well, they sat, they kissed like that. Still, she got really confused. Looking at her, it seems that everything is really went well, especially the other things that might need to consider. Sister, Why is suddenly silence? Are you alright? Well, me, I'm fine. Did I scare my sister? I'm kidding. What a risk. Almost. At this moment, she was pulling her up. Probably. Still. She's shaking. Well, it's just like that. What about my sister? Well, have you ever kissed me? Whoa, what a question. At this moment, surely I want to be possessive, right? But look at her. Why suddenly she's not speaking, although she's been quiet? Now she becomes silence. Well, I was the one who asked my sister first. I thought my second sister could do everything, but it turns out she can. Now, this girl, she's sulking. We can see. Of course, I will. Why? Why should my second sister be so stubborn? There's no way to prove something like this. Now, it makes sense. She's having fun. Why? Why can't I do it? If we kiss each other, then we'll know everything. This girl, she know how I become to be decisive. Okay, that's enough. Fooling around. We should head back now. At this moment, the real becomes serious. We can see that they're really enjoying teasing each other, but of course, they need to come back to her senses that they need to be serious about this, especially things are getting rough. Paul, sister, let me help you. At this moment, she was carrying her, although she seems to be weak. At this moment, we can see she got really concerned. For an unmarried woman, having scars on her body is practically the same as disfigurement. We can see she kept touching her back to know what about the scar. If someone looks down on me just because of the scar on my shoulder, I'd rather not marry such a person. Well, she was right about that. I have a method that can help my second sister to recover the scar. I wonder if she would be willing to try it. To cover it up, does my sister? Yes, as long as my second sister like it. Well, I stop anything. This girl, she's really become possessive. Sister, could you embroider for me? Well, Irish. It seems that this really makes sense, right? We can figure out the things are really going went well. Well, that Irish, she continued to call that name. What do you think? What does it mean? It seems to be getting confused, right? But let's solve. Things will be better on her. Well, definitely, she wanted to give it up. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!